Coronavirus hospitalizations are at a record high in Riverside County and all over the country right now. Now, Governor Gavin Newsom has a new urgent warning about potential new coronavirus restrictions. News Channel 3's Jake Gracia leads us off tonight live from JFK Memorial Hospital in India. Jake.
John, good evening. And tonight, health officials are gearing up for a wave of new cases likely linked to this past holiday weekend. And there is serious concern tonight that if somebody does get sick, it could soon be very tough to find them a hospital bed. It's the latest warning from Governor Newsom.
If these trends continue, we're going to have to take much more dramatic, arguably drastic action, including taking a look at those purple tiered counties.
Saying more restrictions or even another stay-at-home order could be right on the horizon for counties in the most restrictive tier. This as the number of patients hospitalized is right on the brink of disaster. On Monday, a record-breaking 585 Riverside County patients were under hospital care for coronavirus, surpassing the previous surge in July.
We're not just now looking at positivity rates. We're not now just looking at case rates. We are now looking in real time at hospitalization numbers and ICU capacity.
Here in the Valley, hospitalizations continue to trend upward. Desert Regional Medical Center and JFK Memorial Hospital both caring for more patients now than last week. And while the number of patients in Valley hospitals continues to increase, hospital officials say they have not yet needed to enact surge plans or overflow capacity, though they say it might not be far off. Meanwhile, as hospital space diminishes, concern is growing for frontline healthcare workers.
With this new record number in hospitalizations, we know healthcare workers are working twice as hard, and some of them are experiencing fatigue, COVID fatigue.
Those in the front lines, nurses, doctors, hospital support staff, EMS, paramedics, anyone you can imagine, they've been working very hard month after month after month, and it gets to them.
Signs that a tough coronavirus winter lies ahead. And just for some context here, we asked doctors from all three Valley hospitals to interview with us for this story. None were able to accommodate that request just because of how slammed it is right now in these hospitals. They do want you at home to know, though, if you have a serious medical need, you can still come to the hospital. They have plenty of precautions here that are being taken, and you don't need to be deterred because of these rising coronavirus hospitalization numbers. We're live tonight in Indio. Jake Gracia, News Channel 3.